Welcome to my home. My name is Marian Kate Pavera, your Binibining Santo Domingo.
Welcome to Barangay Santo Domingo!
Welcome to the Barangay Santo Domingo's Pride, the Diana's Delicacy. Tumayo naman na, si Diana's Delicacy. Welcome to the child-friendly school, Vicente Taaca Memorial School. Education for persons with disabilities are one of the most important issues here in contemporary society because of stigmatization of people that is hand to educate the society. We should show love, respect to each and everyone. And as a student athlete, I also want to promote sports that are very essential to everyone. It gives healthy mind, healthy heart, and healthy body.
Sports, panalo ka!
Once again, I am Marian Kate Pavera, your Binibining Santo Domingo. Malatatan, Urdaneta!